Hello, Miss. So, this is my short and brief explanation of what I have learned or what I understand about the adrenergic neurotransmission. So, first, in the presynaptic cell, it all starts with tyrosine here, that enters the cell. Tyrosine and sodium. So from tyrosine, it will go to L-DOPA with the help of tyrosine hydroxylase. And from L-DOPA, it will go inside the vesicle through VMAT. And from L-DOPA, it will become dopamine with the help of DOPA decarboxylase. So from dopamine, now it will become norepinephrine with the help of dopamine beta hydroxylase. And from norepinephrine, it will become epinephrine with the help of PENMT or phenylethylalanine and methyltransferase. So from there, it has three routes. From there, it will go out from the VAMS, and from VAMS, it will have three routes. First is COMT to MAO to metabolite or its byproduct vanillyl mandelic acid. Second route is from VAMS to MAO and to metabolite. The third route is the reuptake, which states that it will recycle epinephrine to do the same routine until it become metabolite. So from here, at the beginning, tyrosine hydroxylase can be stopped by met-tyrosine. VMAT can be stopped by carbidopa. Calcium, I forgot to say about this calcium channel that helps L-DOPA enters the vesicle. Yeah, calcium channel is stopped by T or by T. Then VAMS can be stopped by beryllium guanethidine. Yeah, and MAO, COMT, and NET can be stopped by cocaine.